What's up everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In this video, let's talk about the handwriting. How can you make it more neat and better looking? There are a couple of different things you might do to get better at it, so let's get into it. The most important factor in improving handwriting is consistent practice. The more you write, the better your handwriting will become. There are some excellent tools and techniques to help make this practice more effective and enjoyable. First, let's talk about handwriting practice apps. There are several apps available that are specifically designed to help you improve your handwriting. There are going to be some links to those apps in the description of this video. These apps guide you through various exercises that help develop muscle memory and improve the quality of your writing over time. By following these structured exercises, you can gradually enhance your handwriting skills. Consistent practice is key. Try to integrate regular writing sessions into your daily routine. This could be through taking notes, journaling, or even just doodling. The more you write, the more natural and fluid your handwriting will become. Regular practice helps to solidify the techniques you've learned and makes good handwriting second nature. The Apple Pencil is an essential tool for handwriting on the iPad. Its precision and responsiveness make it ideal for writing. To enhance your experience, consider adding a silicone grip to your Apple Pencil. This provides extra comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended writing sessions. A comfortable grip can make a significant difference in your handwriting quality. Ergonomics also play a crucial role in handwriting. Using a foldable case to angle your iPad can minimize strain on your hand and wrist. This setup makes writing more comfortable, especially during long periods. Ensuring that your iPad is at a comfortable angle can help maintain good posture and prevent discomfort, allowing you to focus on improving your handwriting. In summary, improving your handwriting on the iPad involves consistent practice, utilizing handwriting practice apps, and using the right tools such as the Apple Pencil with a silicone grip. Additionally, setting up your iPad ergonomically can make a big difference in your comfort and writing quality. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you guys later.